Hey guys, welcome back. I just realized how bad my pillows look back there. It's real life house. Look, there's where I stash my decorative pillows. I'm sure y'all have noticed that. So at night, when I take the decorative pillows like off the bed, I stash them on top of the mirror. Real life, people. It's real life. All right, this video is going to be the Allure. I've actually had this for a few days. But guys, like I said, I just didn't film for a few days. And we're filming. We're going to get there, Shannon. You'll get there. It just takes time. All right, so this box was curated by Miss Nikki Tutorials. And lover or hater, she picks out good makeup, guys. So let's see what all we have going on up in here. I did peek in the box. I admit I peeked, but I've not used anything. I've not opened anything. I just wanted to make sure everything was intact before, I started opening. So, it always comes in the box with the paper, and I'm just going to fold that back out of the way and see what we have. So, we have a little card that says new look. Are we not getting it in a red box anymore? Are we going to get it in a little pouch? Is that what they're telling me? I don't know. And it says, sleek, chic, and multifunctional. Starting in January, you'll discover our makeover at the Allure Beauty Box, including a collectible limited edition pouch to reuse or share. What could be better than 6 amazing picks, plus a bonus gift inside your shiny new pouch. Scratch off to reveal 2 of the products you'll receive. Hey, let's scratch. The thing I'm using to scratch is not that great. So it looks like a nail polish, maybe? Sunday Raleigh Glow Face Oil and Retinoid Serum and a bonus gift. And I'm not going to hold this up because it's got that powder all over it. But it says the box value is supposed to be like, it looks like $130. And we're getting 2 Sunday Riley products and the NCLA, it looks like a nail polish. So I'm just going to sit this somewhere where this doesn't get everywhere so I can get it in a trash can. Okay. First up, this is one I was like super excited for. It is the Nikki Tutorials Everglow Highlighter from Oprah. Retail at $35, guys. That's two boxes right there, pretty much. I mean, you know what I'm saying? That's 2 boxes. If I can get it out of the here. Oh, and she's taped up nicely in some bubble wrap. Remember some frou-frou? Okay. I ain't got time. We got scissors. We ain't got time for all that. Okay. And I save these little things for when I do giveaways. I can bubble wrap stuff. Oh my gosh, guys. Where's my highlight brush? I don't want to use this one up. Hey, y'all. I want to go for like these 2 down here and mix them. I have on just a very light hint of highlighter today because, as you guys know, I started working in an office, so I don't go like crazy on the makeup. I don't know how that's panning out at the present moment. We will see. But yeah, that is lovely. I was so excited to have that in there because I have nothing at all from Oprah. So super excited for that. Evercalm Overnight Recovery Balm. A Ren. Flip the pages. Let me flip the pages. Okay, this is a great winter moisturizer. First step is an excellent first step is asking someone who lives in Amsterdam, not exactly known for its balmy climate. Oh, so this is recommended apparently by somebody in Amsterdam. Full size. Retails for $48. Oh, and there's codes. Did Nikki Tutorials have a code? Yes. So on Ofra, enter code Allure30 at checkout for 30% off. That is good. From December the 1st through February the 1st. And then this one at renskincare.com, enter the code Allure18 and at checkout to receive 20% off of your order, which is good through December the 1st to February the 28th. So cool beans on that. What else do we have? NYX Slippy. And I do like the NYX lingeries. What shade are you? It takes me a minute to find the shades on here. Cabaret Show. I don't think I have this one. It might be a little bit too browny for me. I don't know. We'll hold on to that one and we'll see. But that retails for $6.99. Then next up, I see a little face towelette, it looks like. Neutrogena makeup remover. Look how itty bitty cute. that is like super cute. And on the back, yeah, on the back, it looks like you can buy these in a huge package, which is cute if you travel and you need to take like 3 or 4 pre-wrapped little towelettes, and you've got them. Last, is this? No, there's 2 more things in here. Juvia's Place custom eyeshadow palette. Again, very excited to have this because you guys know I just bought my first Juvia's palette. Again, this is sealed because I've not opened anything. So let's cut the tape on that. Always keep your scissors handy. And there's the packaging. I love their packaging. Look how cute. Oh my gosh. The Nubian by Juvia's. Okay. And another little sheet. Ah, and you guys know these are my shades. Look at this cranberry. Ah, love it. That is, yeah, I'll be using that too. And last but not least, I'm going to actually put this little Ren in the giveaway stuff. So I have a little pouch going right here with different things in it. So that's going in my giveaway stuff. If I can get it to zip with that in there. Yes, I can. We have a lash. Is it LA Splash? Yeah, LA Splash. Where are you? Okay, this is a waterproof slim liner, and it retails for $14. And you can enter the code Nikki Splash for 25%. Does not apply to sale items and cannot be combined with other discounts. And it is good from December the 1st to March the 31st. So that's a big coupon. And you guys know I'm just now getting back into liner, and I don't have any liner on my eyes. So, where's me a mirror? Come here, mirror. Let's see. Oh, wow, yeah. I like it. Okay, there's one eye lined and one eye not lined. Let's do the other eye. Guys, the eyeshadow is so pretty. Just thickened it up a little bit so you can see it better. That is great. It's a brush, not a felt tip. I do believe it's a brush. But yeah, and even my little myself that has trouble doing eyeliner. I mean, it went on really good. I'm waiting to see how it dries down. So yeah, we're definitely tucking that baby into the eyeliner section of my little organizer there. So I have been using this one, the CoverGirl, and I like it, but that one seemed a little more precise, you know what I'm saying? And this one, because I have glitter everywhere, this one's thinner, I'll show you, and the one I just did, but I have a lot of stuff on my hands, and I don't know if that's going to make a difference. We're going to let these two dry. This one bled. Can you see that? This is the CoverGirl up here, these two marks, and this is that one. So I'm looking to see if it's bleeding on my eyes. I don't see anything, but I do have a lot of like product on this hand as far as eyeshadow, lipstick, and where I've been cleaning it with this cloth. So we'll see. And it's come out pretty easy with the cloth. There's still just a teeny tiny bit there, but it's coming off. Alright, so yes, I did like this box extremely much. Guys, I have got to organize this vanity. It is a hot mess of product everywhere. But that is it for this one. If you got this box, let me know what you thought about it. What was your favorite product? So far, mine is the highlighter. I still have to try the lippy. Or I may save that for a giveaway as well, because I have so many lippies going right now, guys. I have so many lippies. And I don't know. I don't know about that color. I'm going to have to think about that one. So that might go in the next giveaway. So, as always, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.